Hi guys, I'm Smith, a CS student from an IT angle. Today we'll figure out how to integrate your VS Code to your Codeforce so that you can directly code in your VS Code and submit from your VS Code to the Codeforce. You don't need to go to Codeforce even for submitting. For that you need to install some extension in your browser which you use frequently. So we are going to browser that I use. I'll open the Chrome. The name of that extension is Competitive Compassion. Competitive Compassion. You just go and search this compassion and it is free. You don't need to worry about anything. Just go and that extension that you see at the top is one extension we are searching for. Go and add to Chrome. Add it to Chrome. We'll add this extension. See, that extension has been downloaded and we are going here that extension section. I will click on this button. Actually this button will pin out your this extension to the left side of your extension tool. And another another extension is our CPH Submit extension. You go and do as same, add to the Chrome. It is also got downloaded. You just pin out, and now you just go for any of the Codeforce question, and I'll show you. Come here to open any of the folder in VS Code. Like I'll open my folder for CPS here. I open this folder, and now after opening this folder, just go here and go to the Codeforce. Just go to Codeforce. Like this is our Codeforce. We are here, and go on any of the problem. You came here and click on any problem. You came here, and after coming here, you just need to click this plus button. After clicking this plus button, you click here and you just go to your VS Code. Oh, you'll see it's a covering point with circle that we're searching for. See where we click the plus button for here. Okay, for submitting it will automatically get submit. This extension will automatically work for that Codeforce. So what you need to do, you need to code for this question here. You code, you will see you don't need to write any test case. You will get that test case automatically. You code for this, check whether your test case is passed or not. After example, I'll show you some example. Like I've done some questions. Okay, I'll see if I want to try to submit. Okay, I got here directly. I'll be able to submit. In some question I directly got here and I'll get the access of submit. If I want to, I'll click on submit button. Oh sorry, I want switch up the code editor. Okay, forget it out. I'll show you. If you want to submit, it will work sometime and it will not work. Just in some case, if it not work, copy or paste. Come to your Codeforce question. Come to this. Go to this submit section. You need to remember. You need to keep that problem ID. Remember this problem ID. Keep it here. Paste your copy here and submit. That's all.